Having dental work has always been a big part of my life because of my genetics. I was congenitally missing several teeth, and so when I got out of braces as a teenager, I wore a retainer that had teeth on it to replace the missing spaces. So I became a patient of Dr. Frangie and Dr. Saba when they first moved to Houston. So at that time, I had Bridgework on the top and the bottom, and it was Bridgework that had already been there for about 20 years. They noticed, a tiny crack in one of the Bridgework areas and recommended that I start thinking about redoing the dental work.
When Sharon came to us, she had a lot of dental work done previously, like long. She's been struggling with her teeth for over 20 years. And besides, she had the congenital missing teeth. She was born with that defect. So she had a lot of bridges, and previous dentists, they had told her, she couldn't have implants.
They talked to me about planning how to repair my existing dental work. And they recommend that I try a dental implant here and here. And then that way I could get individual crowns on each tooth rather than have bridge work.
I showed it to her. I did a simulation of how her teeth would look like if we have the implant placed. And we did the mock-up on her. And she said, you know what, let's give it a try.
I felt very involved in the treatment plan because whenever I had x-rays done and whenever the dental implants were being planned, I was able to see it on the screen, see how much bone I had, see how the implant would fit exactly, see where I needed bone. I really appreciated that because I like to be involved with the work being done on me.
So we went ahead, we placed a couple of implants and we did some cosmetic work, and she said, all the black lines that she had before and the spaces, they're gone. So when you see her smile and her satisfaction, it's good. It's doable.
After getting my dental work, it is kind of fun to see the reactions of people. The people close to me, they knew I was getting dental work done, and so we openly talked about it. But then there were also times that, I was in a meeting and I could tell somebody noticed my smile. Those are kind of fun things to happen after your dental work is done. I'm really thankful for Dr. Saba and Dr. Frangie and for the work that they've done. I'm really happy with my smile.